Searching for a unique way to refresh your space? Meet the indoor tabletop fountain with LED light and DIY planter, your new daily dose of peace and nature. The sound of trickling water soothes your mind. The soft LED light adds cozy warmth. And the best part? You can grow tiny plants right in it, adding a touch of green to your surroundings. Perfect for meditation corners, yoga setups, or your nightstand. This compact fountain fits anywhere. Use it to relax, unwind, or simply enjoy the quiet moment. It's beautiful, it's multifunctional, and it's waiting for your personal touch. It's compact, easy to use, and effortlessly blends function and style. Just plug it in and let the serenity begin. Turn your room into a sanctuary. Order your Zen LED fountain now and let peace bloom.